Welcome back to the Deep Dive channel. Social media is abuzz with new video footage from China showing not one, but two J-35 stealth fighter prototypes. And the most striking feature, their paint job, a distinct shade of green. This has sparked immediate speculation. Are these aircraft destined for Pakistan? To decode the technology, the strategy, and the symbolism behind the color, let's dive into the analysis. Let's address the big question first. Case's green J-35s took off for test flights and landed. Are they being prepared for Pakistan? Let's break it down. First, the J-35 is a carrier-capable fifth-generation stealth fighter. One of the most advanced aircraft in development globally. Now, regarding Pakistan, reports strongly suggest an order for around 40 of these jets, with deliveries expected in the coming months. This would place Pakistan among a handful of nations operating fifth-generation aircraft. The capability leap is monumental. Currently, Pakistan's most potent long-range air-to-air missile, the Place 15 on its JF-17s and J-10s, has an estimated range of 250 to 300 kilometers. The J-35 is anticipated to carry even more advanced missiles, like the PL-17 or Place 21, with ranges speculated to be between 450 to 600 kilometers. This creates a massive no-escape zone for adversaries. An enemy aircraft could be engaged the moment it takes off from its base hundreds of kilometers away.